My name is Jim Manley. I work for the Charles D. Jones Company. We are a 22 location company, 4 states. We are on CSD with Infor. I was on Phocas with a previous company. I've been with the Charles D. Jones Company for 8 years. We implemented Phocas about 5 years ago, and I love it. It's so simple. I have a dashboard set up. I'm very sales oriented. I look at regional sales on a daily basis, margin, profit, variance from prior year. It's just a simple setup that it's easy. It's so simple to work with. It was a really easy sale. I knew the benefits from the prior employer, and I sold it to the board of directors real quick, and it's so cost effective. The ease of application. I mean, it's dummy proof. I don't know an easier way to put it. Anybody can operate it. The Excel function is just amazing. Reports in front of you, you can share it with your other team members. It's just so simple to use. The sales team, they get to go into customers and see where they have lost business and try to create that business. I mean, the beauty of seeing months of sales and then they drop off by vendor, by category. So they get to go in and talk to the customer and say, why have I lost this business? And we've regained a lot of the business. I mean, it's an amazing sales tool. So we started with 6 licenses and we're up to 28 now. Pretty much our territory managers all use it and benefit from it. Well, we use it, as I stated, data and information are critical. So when we go in and see a customer, I mean, just showing them the data, here's your Honeywell sales, you're doing great, or what happened to our Johnson Controls sales, and just giving the customer the information that he wasn't even aware of. So it's just powerful on both ends, customer and for us. Within Infor, it was cumbersome and clumsy and took forever to get data. With this, you can pick a time period, you can pick a date. It's just, all the information's on one report. So our president uses it on a daily. He's sales driven. Our CFO has not stepped into it yet, which we're hoping will happen pretty soon with financials. But right now it's a total buy-in from the upper management team, and we won't leave. We're just going to grow with it. Using Phocas makes me feel confident in the data that I'm getting, and it's helping our sales.